이곳은 LA에 있는 시립병원.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, I'll be right down.
숙직실에 있던 의사 아이린이 급한 호출을 받고 일어납니다.
Cops pulled him off the beach 15-20 minutes ago. It took 4 of us to get him out of bed. He's strung way out. Can't even get eye contact. It's like he thinks we're not even here.
피투성이가 된 채 응급실로 실려온 한 남성. 그는 심한 구타를 당한 듯했고 겁에 질린 채 프랑스어를 남발하던 이 남성.
Boy, you've been in quite a scrape, haven't you? What happened to you?
그때
Jesus Christ, he's dead.
To me.
작은 부상을 당한 아이린.
On these hours, who gets to go to the beach?
So I want you to go home, get some sleep, and those are surgeon's orders. What'd he say anyway?
Who?
The guy who jumped you, what'd he say?
Nothing.
That's a pity. Last thing a man says is supposed to be significant.
아이린은 집에 돌아와 휴식을 취하고 있었는데
What are you doing?
꿈과 현실 경계에서 무언가를 본 듯한 이상한 경험을 하게 되죠. 다음 날
The man was an anthropologist from UCLA. Spoke half a dozen languages, lived all over the world, and was apparently a very famous individual.
What kind of people did he study anyway?
Well, this morning in Richter's office, I got to look at his wife. She's this elegant-looking redhead, just the opposite of what he looked like. And the crazy thing about it is they've only been in the country a week.
Cassie, what does
동료에게 어제 그 남자가 했던 말들의 뜻을 물어보는 아이린.
They are not there. They are. Sounds like a place. I don't know why.
그날 밤
She says, okay, walking right now is the best thing for you. The carpet's fine. I like the color.
The old carpet was yellow, but the owners didn't.
다시 환상을 보는 듯한 묘한 경험을 합니다.
The owner was only here for a little while. So many things. For instance, the old carpet was yellow, and it didn't clean very well, so they put in all new ones. Obviously, I tried to convince the owners to stay here long enough to sell instead of rent.
What do you think, huh?
아이린이 보는 건 어제 죽은 남성이 일주일 전 미국으로 이사 오면서 경험한 기억들이었죠.
I mostly watch people.
What haven't you teaching here this fall?
The first civilized place we live in years. And already he's bald.
프랑스인인 그의 미국 이름은 잔이었고 긴 시간 전 세계를 돌아다니며 인류와 문화, 종교에 대해서 연구를 해온 잔이.
You're not really bored, are you?
Sure, pas du tout. I'm looking forward to it. I'm American.
그는 미국 여성 니키와 결혼한 뒤 떠돌이 생활을 청산하고 LA에 정착하기로 한 것이었죠. 그런데 문제는 살게 된 이 집이 좀 이상하다는 것이었는데 어느새 생겨있던 낙서와 집 주변을 어슬렁거리던 불량배들, 차고 안에 둘둘 말려있던 노란색 카페트를 펼쳐보는 자니. 그런데 그 안엔
these are children.
Parents who had moved here to begin a new life returned to find that life seeping into
저 녀석들 지진 듯한데 이 집은 끔찍한 사건이 발생했던 그 집이었습니다.
La maison les attire.
La maison les attire. They're attracted to the house.
All right, what do you got, fellas?
It's a cop, that's all. We're getting screwy numbers. We gotta get the techies in here and rip it apart.
Well, the first time through was faint and only showed autonomic functions. Then we started getting cortical propagation.
Have her do it.
Hearing, seeing, walking around, talking to people.
분명 정신을 잃고 쓰러져 있는데 정상이라니.
What is funny about it?
Come. Huh? Don't worry about the door. I will repaint it in the morning.
Those shapes and sizes. Élevons our glory.
잠시 뒤
I'm going out. Nothing. Something. I don't know. I'm not sure.
그런데 갑자기 사라져 버렸다는 아이린.
Doctor, please. We put her across from the nurse. Got the security people going through the rest of the building.
인류학자인 자니는 그들에게 알 수 없는 호기심이 생겨 따라다녀 보기로 하는데 다음 날 아침 근처 해변가에 있던 아이린. 주변에서 다시 그들을 찾아낸 자니.
Salaud, tu sais depuis combien de temps? Tu sais depuis combien de temps je t'attends? Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? C'est horrible! Mais tu m'as rien dit, espèce de salaud! Tu m'es de trou!
Will you stop? Will you stop? I spent 30 hours following people who do not live any place. Écoute-moi! I call the government, the state, their vehicle it is not registered.
Why?
They're nomads. Yes, like all of them. Like every place we've lived for the last 10 years.
Here?
Yes, here now in this city, in the middle of a modern city. In 30 hours they did not stop moving. Don't you understand what I'm saying? Forgive me. I may have simply... But I may have found people who are living outside. They do not participate. No exchanges, no constraints. They resort to violence at no provocation. And they get away with it. It's as if to the official world they did not exist.
You are a crazy man.
was so worried about you. You look awful.
Awful.
아이린은 그녀의 집에서도 보이지 않았고
Yeah, hello?
Hi, Eileen. I got the stuff.
No, Eileen isn't in at the moment. Can I take a message?
Sorry, she called me.
You spoke to her?
She called yesterday. She asked about something. I wanted to get back to her. Tell her that Daisy Noir is not a place. There was, however, an Eskimo word, Inuit. It's apparently some sort of nomad myth that has to do with wandering in the desert. Apparently, the Eskimos spent a good deal of time wandering on the ice. They were supposedly hostile spirits. According to the myth, they were capable of assuming human form. They, here, wait a second. Thought to inhabit places of past calamity, they brought disaster and madness to any humans who fell in with them. Only a myth, of course, but observers well into the 20th century marked how cautiously older Eskimo approached strangers on the ice. That's all we could find, I'm afraid. I don't know if that answers her question or not.
그러니까 자니의 입에서 나왔던 그 단어의 뜻은 에스키모들이 사는 지역에서 인간의 모습을 한 채 죽음의 장소에 달려들어 장난을 치는 일종의 악령 같은 존재들을 의미한다고 하죠. 사진에 찍혀있지 않던 그 존재들. 그 존재들을 따라 밖으로 나가보는데 어떤 버려진 건물 안으로 들어간 자니.
I have a light here if you prefer.
They've shut off the power at this end of the building, I'm afraid. It's only a small savings, of course.
Forgive me, please. Forgive me for being so rude.
You'll be forgiven for thinking the building abandoned. But now with only me here, why, I suppose it's a small matter. Oh, I'll be following the others, eventually. Though I'm not certain they saw the humor in it. You may call me Bertram. Mr. Palmier, yes. Won't you have tea? In here, if you will.
You know about them, don't you?
You just look too closely. Most people are luckier. They never know that a certain percentage of what they see is not there.
Yes.
They know about you. Go away, Palme. Leave your house and change your job. Go and hide yourself. You can still survive this.
They're not real. They can't do anything.
They brought you here, Palme.
What was this place? What happened here?
You must leave now. Don't pursue this.
이곳에서도 끔찍한 일들이 있었던 듯 합니다. 다음 날 아침 조심스럽게 창밖을 확인해 보는데 역시나 쇠뭉치만 뒹굴고 있을 뿐이었습니다. 그리고
You come up here like last night. You seem very ill. You were with my husband when he's dead, no?
자니의 지난 일주일간의 기억을 답습하며 이곳까지 온 아이린.
Well, there's no memory in my head, and I don't understand. I don't know what he wants. Hunting him. Who is doing that? He thinks they're in a what? How do you know this?
자니가 죽기 하루 전날
Did you ever have a dream and not know when it started? The old men on Nativac used to tell a tale of the dangers of traveling far. How one might no longer know what was real. We have wandered so very far from home. I was tired, huh? I was tired, very tired.
그런데 그때 그들은 자신들의 존재를 눈치챈 자니를 쉽게 놓아줄 생각이 없어 보였죠.
Thank God you are there. We've been going out of our minds here. We even had the cops out. I went to your apartment last night, and some guy on the phone laid some weird rap on me about...
Oh, a friend back east. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter now anyway.
Listen, I've got the address. I'm gonna come pick you up.
그들이 산자들이 아님을 알게 된 아이린.
What did he do then? We left that place very fast. He took me to a hotel and told me to stay there and keep the door locked until he come back. But he never come back. The next day I come here and everything is so strange. I find 2 suitcases. The other one was there. Yes. He was taking the old woman's advice and he was running, but something wouldn't let him. What if he wasn't insane?
한편 그 시각
No thanks, I don't want any. No, look, Hey, get out of my face!
They know about Jean-Charles. They know about us. You know who everything is. Allez, dépêche-toi, on n'a plus de temps. But we've got to get out of here now. Oh, leave it, leave it. Who are these people? Who are these people?
어느새 집을 둘러싼 그 존재들.
See them too. Operator, I need the police. The address is...
그들을 피해 다락으로 올라가는데 그 존재들은 그저 재미로 장난을 치는 것 같았죠. 몇 시간 후
But they'll be back.
난장판이 되어 있던 집안. 그렇게 아이린과 니키는 이 집을 떠나기로 합니다. 아니, 집이 아닌 아예 이 도시를. 그 순간 이곳까지 쫓아온 그 존재. 그런데 그건 죽은 자니였죠. 자니는 그들처럼 유목민이 되고 싶었던 걸까? 앞만 보고 빠르게 달려가는 세상. 그러나 우린 언제나 과거와 조금 더 가깝다는 걸. 비디오 키드입니다.